Newa Language Learning, Chapter 34. I love you. Ji chanta matinayana. I love you so much. Ji chanta yakko matinayana. I like you. Jita cha ya. Or it can also be said cha jita ya. I love you as a friend. Cha jita pasak katha ya. Next, I like friends. Jita paspi ya. Next, I like your lips. Jita changu mutusi ya. Next, I like your eyes. Jita changu mikha ya. Next, I like your nose. Jita changu nae ya. Next, I like you. Cha jita ya. Same as above. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and share.